Hello everyone. Today we have brought you a completely new type of car. Factory 5 has officially begun production of its highly anticipated Mk5 Roadster, marking a significant milestone for the renowned manufacturer of kit cars. Known for delivering a thrilling combination of classic styling, cutting-edge engineering and high-performance driving, the Mk5 Roadster continues Factory 5's legacy of crafting some of the most popular and exciting replica vehicles in the world. This latest version builds upon the success of its predecessors, enhancing the design and performance while maintaining the spirit of the iconic Shelby Cobra. The Mk5 Roadster is a true homage to the original Shelby Cobra, which has long been revered by car enthusiasts for its power and aggressive styling. However, Factory 5 has taken the classic design and infused it with modern technologies, creating a car that appeals to both nostalgia and the demands of today's driving experience. The new Mk5 model features an updated chassis that offers improved rigidity, better handling and enhanced safety, all while staying true to the Cobra's raw and exhilarating driving dynamics. One of the most notable updates in the Mk5 Roadster is the introduction of a fully independent rear suspension, IRS. This upgrade, previously only available as an option on previous versions, is now standard on the Mk5, offering significant improvements in ride quality, handling, and overall performance. The IRS helps reduce axle hop and enhances cornering stability, ensuring that the Mk5 Roadster delivers the kind of sharp, responsive handling that enthusiasts crave. Alongside the IRS, Factory 5 has also refined the front suspension and steering, further optimizing the car's overall balance and driving precision. Under the hood, the Mk5 Roadster can be powered by a wide range of engines, from small block V8s to more modern high-performance powertrains. Factory 5's reputation for allowing customers to choose their desired engine and drivetrain remains intact with the Mk5, giving owners the flexibility to create a car that suits their driving style and performance goals. With the potential to reach over 500 horsepower in some configurations, the Mk5 Roadster promises thrilling acceleration and a visceral driving experience. In terms of design, the Mk5 Roadster stays true to the classic Cobra aesthetic, with its aggressive, low-slung body, muscular fenders, and timeless lines. The car's body panels are made from lightweight fiberglass, making it easier to work with during assembly while maintaining a high level of durability and strength. Factory 5's attention to detail is evident in the refined finishing, with options for custom paint, interior trim, and other personalizations. The Mk5 Roadster is also equipped with modern safety features, including a robust roll bar, updated lighting, and enhanced braking systems. Though it draws heavily from the past, this new model ensures that drivers can enjoy the thrills of a classic car while benefiting from modern advancements in safety and performance. With production now underway, the Factory 5 Mk5 Roadster is poised to excite enthusiasts and collectors alike. Assembling a Factory 5 kit is a unique, hands-on experience that offers a sense of ownership and craftsmanship that's hard to match in today's world of mass-produced vehicles. For those who crave the combination of performance, style, and engineering, the Mk5 Roadster represents the pinnacle of what Factory 5 has to offer.